Hi kids, good morning. How are you? I hope you're fine. Today we are going to see a new lesson. Today we are going to count things. Do you like to count? What is counting? Counting means counting 1, 2, 3. Today we are going to count. What do you see in this picture? Before I start the class, let I introduce Valli and Chittu. This is Valli and this is Chittu. In today's class, we are going to see what Valli have and what Chittu have. Okay, Chittu have. I have. Chittu is speaking. So Chittu uses I. When you are speaking, you have to use I. Now let us listen to what Chittu is speaking. I have one banana. What is this? Banana. How many bananas are here? Only one banana. So Chittu have one banana. Chittu says, I have one banana. And then what is this? This is cap. What is the spelling of cap? C-A-P, cap. How many caps are here? Only one cap. So Chittu says, I have one cap. I have one cap. Chittu have how many caps? Chittu have one cap. And Chittu also have a toy. Do you like toys? Yes, kids love toys. How many toys does Chittu have? Chittu have only one toy. One toy. What is the spelling of toy? T-O-Y, toy. Chittu have one banana, one cap and one toy. What is the spelling for banana? B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Okay, now let us see what Valli have. Valli have 4 bananas. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. Count with me. 1 banana, 2 banana, 3 banana, 4 banana. So 4 bananas. Why they are using S here? See in this. Here they are using S and see here they are not using S. Why? Why they are not using S? Because when you count more than 1, you have to use S. Here only 1 banana and here you have 4 bananas. So if there is more than 1, you have to use S. This is 1 banana, 2 bananas, 3 bananas, 4 bananas. Now you understand why we are using S? Now let us move to the next. What is this? This is a cap. And these are caps. Why we are using caps? Why we are adding S? Because count with me. This is 1 cap and this is 2 caps. When there is more than one item, we have to use S. So 2 caps. 2 caps. Now let us see how many toys Valli has. Valli have 3 toys. 3 toys. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. So 3 toys. 1 toy, 2 toys, 3 toys. This is 1 toy. There is only 1 toy. So we are not using S. Here there are more than 1 toy. So we are using S. Now you understand? This is 1 banana, 1 cap, 1 toy. This is 4 bananas, 2 caps and 3 toys. Now Chittu explains why she add S. When we have to add S, if we have more than one of each, we have to use S. Now students, let us see some exercise. Are you ready? Now let us practice some exercise. Match the words with the pictures. Count with me. What is this? This is a cat. What is this? This is a cat. Do you love cat? Yes, we love cat. This is count the cat. One cat. So match with one cat. Here two vans, four ships, one cat, three cats, one van and one ship. Match with one cat because there is only one cat. Next, what is this? This is van. What is this? This is van. First see two vans. Does this match with this? No. So next four ships. Is this a ship? No, it is not a ship. Next one cat. One cat we have already found. Three cats. Is this a cat? No. This is one van. Yes, this is the correct answer. Match with this. Next we have four ships. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four ships. So where is four ships? This is two vans. Is this a van? No, this is a ship. So here we have four ships. So match with this. Now this is two vans. Where is two vans? 1, 2. Two vans. Match with this. Next, this is one ship. Where is one ship? Here, match with this. These are three cats. 1, 2, 3. Three cats. Where is three cats? Here, match with this. So, students, did you understand today's class? Okay, students, for today's homework, you will draw the picture. And you will match with that. Thank you, students.